Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am back today with a card a day in July video. I announced this series the other day, and in that video, I also let you know how you could play along with me. I will link that video below, as well as the card a day in July playlist. My goal this month is to try to get crafty every day and share it here with you on YouTube. I would really love to get out some of the products that I have never used or the products that I used to love and have had in storage for a while. Once I start my card process, I will start doing a voiceover. If you have any questions that I don't answer in the voiceover, make sure to leave those in the comment section below. You're probably not the only one with the question. For today's card, which is my 6th in the series, I will be creating an Eclipse card. But to help my Eclipse die cut stand out more from the background, I will be adding a piece of vellum. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, I always appreciate a thumbs up. And if this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of the video you'll be inspired to hit that subscribe button. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thanks so much for stopping back by. Here we go. For today's card, I will be using this large high die cut. For my background, I'm using a piece of this floral paper and vellum to go in front of it, and then I already pre-cut and folded my card base. To make getting adhesive on the back of each die cut easy, I grabbed my Stick It adhesive sheets. I will also be using white foam to make my Eclipse. The first thing I'm going to do for my card is all of the die cutting, but before I can do that, I need to prepare each of my surfaces with the Stick It adhesive. What you do is just put this on the back of your piece, and then later after you die cut it, you will pull off the other side of the release paper, and then you have a completely sticky die cut. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using foam for my Eclipse portion today. You could always, if you don't have white foam, just die cut the same thing, probably 5 to 6 times out of white cardstock, and then just adhere those all in a stack together. To hold my high die in place on the front of the card, I used some Scotch removable tape. Once everything was die cut, it was time to start putting the card together. I removed the release paper from the back of the floral piece and placed that on my card front. You'll notice here that I did have to reinsert the positive from the die cut so that I could put the little spacer between the H and the I back down. Now I also cut a white plain cardstock high, and that was just to put in place so my vellum would have a level surface to adhere to. And since that bottom high would be covered with other pieces, that is where I put the adhesive for the vellum. Next, I just layered on my foam die cut and then my floral die cut. Once that was all down, I decided the card needed a little something else. So I got out some gold half pearls and put 3 to the left side of the H. And here is a look at my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and until my next one, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope that you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above, and if you're interested in any of the products or tools that I use in the video, I do have some links in the description box.